Now, children, today let's start with chapter number 9, that is the rise of nationalism. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about the 19th century, that is from 1922. Emergence of nationalism was a significant feature of the British rule in India, as what it was an economic exploitation of India. Many foreigners had come to India to take away wealth was prior to the British, but the British drained the resources of India. इन्होंने क्या करा, जो resources थे इंडिया के उनको drain करा in the most systematic and unjust way. The nation whole was reduced to mere subsistence level without any hope of relief in the future. This economic exploitation was a rise of nationalism in India. The rise of Indian press and literature was well improvement in transport and communication and also contributed to the emergence of nationalism. किसको contribute करता है? Emergence of nationalism, right? Now the formation of political organization. So we can say that an urgent need was felt by the nationalists for the establishment of political organization. So we can say it would carry forward their cause of nationalism, and many political organizations were founded in the later half of the 19th century. So the first association was established in Bengal in 1836, जिसको हम बांग भाषा प्रसाद प्रकाशिका सभा कहते हैं, एंड द ब्रिटिश एसोसिएशन वाज फाउंडेड इन 1851 कोलकाता में. और अगर हम बात करें 1852 की, तो बॉम्बे एसोसिएशन और मद्रास नेटिव एसोसिएशन वाज फॉर्म. दीज वर द इम्पॉर्टेंट एसोसिएशन, जैसे पूना सार्वजनिक सभा 1870, मद्रास महाजन सभा 1884, बॉम्बे प्रेसिडेंसी एसोसिएशन 1885, इंडियन लीग दैट इज इंडियन एसोसिएशन which was formed by Surendranath Banerjee in 1876. Although most of these associations were formed in different parts of the country, yet they all had same purpose. जैसे to work for the people of India irrespective of religion, caste and color. The main aim was the establishment of sovereign state, right? So we have formation of political association. So in the later half of 18th century, new political association was started, and they come up to the work for the welfare of India. Okay? And the first came up the presidency of Kolkata, Bombay and Madras, and later over the country, जो आपकी British India Association, they formed Surendranath Banerjee in 1881. And some other association was formed like Bombay Association, Madras Native Association or Indian Association. So we can say that they dealt mostly with local questions. जैसे membership of leadership, इन सब जो local questions होते थे ना हमारे, उनके साथ ये क्या करते थे, deal कर. And the British government continuously ignored British. Now birth of the Indian National Congress, INC का birth होता है. So Alan Octavia Hume, a retired civil servant, invited educated Indians and they form all Indian organization. जिससे क्या करते हैं, Indian people को represent करते हैं. This led to the formation of INC. और first session हुआ बॉम्बे का, where at 20 December 1885 and Bomesh Chand Banerjee was attended by the, किसने delegates ने इसको attend करा, 72, right? So इसमें the movement was divided into 4 main phase, that is moderate phase, extremist phase, Gandhian phase and final phase, right? So first you can see here the moderate and the extremist. ये period था, ये आपका 1885 से लेकर 1905 तक का था. यहाँ पे मेंबरशिप दिखाई देगी आपको नेशनल कांग्रेस की विद लिमिटेड टू इंडियन एजुकेटेड इंडियंस, जिसमें ग्रुप ऑफ मॉडरेट्स थे, जिसमें आपके सुरेंद्रनाथ बनर्जी एंड योर दादा भाई नरोजी, गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले, MC रनाडी, कुछ प्रोमिनेंट मॉडरेट लीडर्स थे. एंड द मॉडरेट्स ये किसने बिलीव करते थे, इन क्रिएटिंग पब्लिक अवेयरनेस अमंग द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया. किसके थ्रू, रिजोल्यूशन के थ्रू, पिटिशन के थ्रू और मीटिंग्स के थ्रू. And their objective was not independence from British rule, but to increase the number of Indians in the government. ये क्या चाहते थे, the number of Indian people से government में उनको increase कर. Okay. Now the Indian National Congress Act of 1861 and 1892 did not increase number of Indian administration, but it gave the limited powers here. And this led to the dissatisfaction with the methods used by mod. But लोग क्या थे, dissatisfied से, जो methods moderates use कर रहे थे, उसको लेके क्या थे, जो लोग थे वो क्या थे, डिससेटिस्फाइड थे. नाउ पार्टीशन होता है बंगाल का 1905 में. लॉर्ड कर्सन उस टाइम पे क्या थे, वाइस रॉय थे, एंड ही वाज नॉट सिंपैथिक टुवर्ड द इंडियंस, एंड व्हाट ही adopted different policies to suppress the rise in power. And what happened, you can see that participation of Bengal into two parts were Eastern Bengal and Assam. It was said that it was difficult to administer such a big province, so that it was necessary to break it up. Now, as an important reason behind the proposal of to weaken national movement, जो आपके ईस्ट बंगाल थे और जो मतलब जब के moderates थे और the extremists थे, they participated jointly. One hand of the participation on August 7, 1905. एंड यू कैन से जितनी भी कम्युनिटीज थी, चाहे वो हिंदू हो, चाहे वो मुस्लिम हो, चाहे वो क्रिश्चियंस हो, दे टाइड राखी अराउंड वन अंगर विश टू एक्सप्रेस क्या, भाई राखी बांध के वो क्या एक्सप्रेस करना चाहते हैं, वो अपनी यूनिटी ब्रदरहुड कि हम क्या है, एक है। फिर स्वदेशी मूवमेंट एंड बायकॉट मूवमेंट ये 1905 में होती है। सो August 7, 1905 a massive protest meeting was held at the town hall in Kolkata. So the people of Bengal openly defied the government and they exerted pressure upon it by adopting political weapons. Swadeshi means of one owns country, mass meeting were held and the public burning of foreign clothes, लोगों ने अपना काम छोड़ दिया, उन्होंने कहा हम किसी भी तरीके कोई भी ब्रिटिश गुड्स को यूज नहीं कर। The students of Bengal play a prominent part and the crisis of Swadeshi and Bicol foreign goods were taken by the other province. इंडिया में नहीं और भी provinces में लेके जाया गया and इससे क्या हुआ, it used the opportunity to lead a popular struggle. यहाँ पे दो movements होती है which was initially aimed at protesting against the participation of mill. और ये क्या बन गए important weapon में, right? Then we have Kolkata session in 1906, an annual session of Congress जो कहाँ हुआ था, कोलकाता में हुआ था. It presided over Dadabhai Naoroji and Congress declared Swaraj or self-government and it made clear that India was governed by the elected representative. Now formation of Muslim League 1906 में क्या होता है, formation होता है मुस्लिम लीग का and Hindu and Muslim soldiers fought during the pride and they tried to reduce the economically, वो उन्होंने उनको इकोनॉमिकली भी रियूम करा और एजुकेशनली एंड ओनली द अदर ट्रीटेड हिंदू इन फेवर एंड दे फेवर्ड द मुस्लिम्स एंड दे फॉलोड पॉलिसी ऑफ डिवाइडेड। क्यों उन्होंने पॉलिसी को डिवाइड नहीं किया, फॉलो करी? टू चेक द ग्रोथ ऑफ इंटीग्रेटेड पेट्रोलिज्म इन द अर्थ, दे वांटेड टू क्रिएट अ गल्फ, ये गल्फ क्रिएट करा जाता था बिटवीन द पीपल एंड सर सैयद अहमद खान इनिशियली फेवर ऑफ हिंदू एंड मुस्लिम यूनिटी एंड दे टर्न्ड इन फेवर ऑफ एंग्लो मुस्लिम फ्रेंडशिप, राइट? So Lord Minto also instigated Muslim against the Hindus and the Muslims began to fear the Congress as a Hindu power. All Indian Muslim League was appointed and two main aim of the league was, भाई जो मुस्लिम लीग थे इसके दो मेन एम्स थे। पहला था वो एक सीलिंग ऑफ लॉयल्टीज डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करना चाहते थे अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट। दूसरा टू सेफगार्ड द इंटरेस्ट एंड राइट ऑफ, वो जो मुस्लिम्स के राइट है, इंटरेस्ट है, उनको सेफगार्ड करना चाहते, राइट? टू कीप द मुस्लिम्स मैसिव मास अवे फ्रॉम द कांग्रेस एंड टू रेज द डिमांड। और उन्होंने क्या करी, डिमांड रखी सेपरेट इलेक्टोरेट। नाउ मॉडले मिंटो रिफॉर्म 1909, होल कंट्री जो पूरी कंट्री थी इट वाज रेस्टलेस, ब्रिटिश रिस्पोंडेड बाय रिकॉलिंग लॉर्ड कर्जन, राइट? एंड मिंटो सक्सीडेड हिम एज अ वाइसरॉय अलोंग विद जॉन मॉडले सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द स्टेट। और इसमें आपका इंडियन काउंसिल एक्ट ऑफ 1909 दिया जाता है and its main features were more members were inducted to Central Legislative Council and Provincial Legislative Council. Separate electorate were introduced for Muslims, right? Now national movement during World War. During First World War 1914 to 1998, they cooperated with the British war efforts. Huge number of Indian soldiers were sent overseas to fight for British. एंड कुछ बिजनेस मैन थे, इंडियन बिजनेसमैन थे, इंडस्ट्रीज थे, दे हैव ह्यूज प्रॉफिट्स थ्रू द they had huge profit through trading in war supply. After the war, Indians were disappointed because the British did not reward them for their cooperation. So we can say they increased the taxes and they restricted civil liberty. Lucknow session in 1960, moderates and extremists united at Lucknow session of Congress. At the same time, जो कांग्रेस थी, मुस्लिम लीग थी, they signed a Lucknow Pact, Lucknow Pact sign करा and these developments strengthened the national, और जितनी भी डेवलपमेंट्स थी इन्होंने क्या करा, नेशनल मूवमेंट को स्ट्रेंथन करा। नाउ वी हैव इमर्जेंस ऑफ गांधी, द पीरियड फ्रॉम 1990, जो पीरियड था फ्रॉम 19 to 1948 इज कॉल्ड गांधी एरा, इंडियन हिस्ट्री बिकॉज ऑफ हिज मार्वेलस वर्क इन द पॉलिटिकल टू द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया। महात्मा गांधी रियल नेम was Mohan Chand Karamdas Gandhi, born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar. and he got his education in law in British, and he in 1893 he sent to South Africa as a lawyer and fought against the British repression. Right? It was during the period that he developed his method of fighting operation. This method was later taken up by the people of India in the struggle for independence, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं सत्याग्रह कहते हैं. Gandhiji returned to India in 1950 and plundered himself in the struggle of operations, and he lent support to textile workers of Ahmedabad and peasants of Kerala in Gujarat. Some of these ways of fighting operation was practiced by the people, where under his leadership were the disobey of law, boycott of law courts and offices. Right? Then we can say that Gandhiji advised Indian to help the British in First World War because he was accepting to get home rule from the British government. Then we have Rowlatt Act. The government passed the Rowlatt Act in 1990, and that empowered provincial government what to search any place and arrest any person without a warrant whom it's suspected. बिना वारंट के आप किसी को भी क्या कर सकते हो अरेस्ट कर सकते हो. तो लोग इस चीज के खिलाफ आ गए. गांधी लॉन्च रॉलेट सत्याग्रह टू अपोज रॉलेट एक्ट एंड इट वाज क्रिटिसाइज्ड बाय महात्मा गांधी. मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना ने भी करा. राइट. एंड द रॉलेट सत्याग्रह वाज फर्स्ट ऑल इंडियन स्ट्रगल अगेंस्ट द British government. जिसने क्या करा? It was restricted by the many of the city. Now Jallianwala Bagh massacre in Amritsar, arrest of two prominent leaders, that is Saifuddin Kichle and Satyapal. इससे strong protest हुआ. They were unaware of the ban. And what happened on 13 April 1990, which was a day of Baisakhi festival. कब हुआ ये? बैसाखी का डे था. एंड जनरल डायर जो मिलिट्री कमांडर थे, उन्होंने जो पार्क की जो नेहरू एग्जिट्स उसको बंद करवा दी और फायर करवा दी एंड मेनी पीपल डाइड देयर. Then we have Khilafat movement in 1920, and it was organized in protest against the injustice done by Turkey after the First World War, right? By the Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali, popularly known as Ali brothers. The Sultan of Turkey was Khalifa of Muslims, and the leader of Khilafat movement wanted the British government should treat Turkey with sympathy. आपको टर्की को ट्रीट करना है किसके साथ? सिंपैथी के साथ, right? Then the non-cooperation movement आता है आपका 1920 में. So, angered of rigid attitude of British, founders decided at its Nagpur session to start what non-cooperation. Tilak and Gandhiji viewed an opportunity to bring Muslims into a national movement. So, Congress decided to support the Khilaf. So, the movement ने क्या ही करा? Protesting against British repression in Punjab and their policy towards Turkey. और इसको क्या कहा जाता है? Attainment of Swaraj. Now events of the movement. As the movement began, people started giving up their titles. लोगों ने क्या करा? अपने टाइटल दिए और जो गांधी जी का भी टाइटल था केशव उन्होंने वो भी देके. People boycotted school, colleges, legislation, law courts, foreign clothes were burned, strikes were organized. A number of education institutions जैसे जामिया मिल्ला अलीगढ़, काशी विश्वनाथ एट बनारस, they started. National leader constructive program was also launched, and they were popularized Charkha and Khadi. Hundreds of lawyers, including Motilal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad, Raja Gopalachari, and Asaf Ali, they gave up their practice. A large number of students and women picket shops selling foreign boots and bonfire. In many parts of the country, people refused to pay their dues to the Jamindar and municipal. And thousands of people, they were hanging in jails. According to the estimate, by the beginning of 1922, 30,000 people had been jailed. Now, suspension of the movement. In February 22, a crowd of people was set a fire station at Chora Chori in Rugorapur district of UP. Right? In the accident, 22 policemen were killed, and Gandhiji called off the non-cooperation movement. And on 12 February 1922, और कहाँ पे करी? बरदौली. Non-cooperation movement was not successful. Mahatma Gandhi का जो desire था for the attainment of Swaraj in 1 year of the movement was not fulfilled. And Khilafat issue was also left unsolved, but the mass of participate in the mortar, and they face new challenges of the national. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.